Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I'm Mohammed Hassan and today I have another scent which is requested by a lot of my viewers of watchers that I should review this one. Trocadero Gardens. Trocadero Gardens by Maison or Maison Anthony Marmin. This is the sample. So let me see if you can view it accurately. So this is the bottle and this is the small sample 0.5 ml. Always test your samples first, okay? So I am going to review Trocadero Gardens. I'm not sure how to pronounce it anyhow. So let's apply it on the skin on my left hand. Okay, so it is refreshing, floral, sweet, syrupy kind of sweet, a bit vibrating kind of effect, like something is vibrating, vibrant. A little bit fruity, syrupy, sweet, fruity with some florals, with a vibrating kind of effect, or you can say sparkling kind of vibrating, very slow. Maybe there is some orange or some tangerine kind of thing in there, citrus maybe. It is kind of uplifting, but for me it is on the dry side. Now it is getting drier and it has kind of like a bubble envelope around it. Now very particular, I would say very particular thing about this is that it has a very like needly kind of vibrating, a sharp citrus floral kind of very balanced accord that is emitting separately from everything around it. So there is a cloud and then you can see there's something sweet, syrupy and citrusy, very balanced kind of spiky. It's not any headache inducing. It is a nice attar oil. It is just like you are roaming inside a garden, a dense garden, and there are florals that has a very particular kind of sharp smell that you are sniffing from far away. So it is not like you are sniffing a flower like this, okay? So very lovely, a little balanced. I think it is not very powerful. It is kind of very light, floral, syrupy, sweet, a little bit of citrus, which is really balanced over here. I'm not sure what it is. It's definitely some citrus oil over here, which is very nice. Okay, so from my point of view, I am going to give it, it is really balanced. Due to its balance and accord, I'm going to give it 7 out of 10 for scent profile, and from performance I think it is going to be skin scent most of the time, so I'm going to give 5 out of 10 for the performance. But it is a really nice and lovely oil. If it has a bit more power, then it might be very nice. A little soapy in the end. I'm not sure why it is getting soapy. I really don't like soapy attars or oils. Getting a little soapy at the end. So this is all. This is my review about Trocadero Gardens, I'm sure, by Maison Anthony Marmin. Trocadero Gardens. I think it is, these are real garden in France. I'm not sure. Maybe, yes, I think. So this is a nice floral, sweet, syrupy kind of attar. I'm right now sitting in a lot of heat without any AC because electricity is down. So That is all. I hope you like, subscribe and share this video, because it takes a lot of passion to record in this heat. I am sweating right now. So we'll meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.